Okay, so this is the general process for creating a new program, any scenario, anytime you're going to make a new program and get folks in there. So in the program name, you're going to put cc slash slash, um, and then whatever the program name is. I'm not going to save this one in this video. This is just because sometimes if you're dealing with lots of customers, you have 200K customers, et cetera, we don't want to have any accidental scenario where they get enrolled and get a bunch of emails. So it's just a safety trigger. Then do all your classic setup, do what you got to do. But when you get to the landing page here, there is support to basically ensure that all traffic who clicks this link is going to go into CreatorCommerce. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this custom URL. You're going to put apps CC storefront redirect. This ensures that Social Snowball is always pushing everybody in this program towards CreatorCommerce, for CreatorCommerce to figure out what to do with them. What we do is if they have a storefront that's been created, we take that traffic to their storefront. If they don't have a storefront, like maybe they're in the program, they haven't onboarded, we don't have a storefront for them yet, we take them to your homepage and then we apply all the Social Snowball tracking. This ensures all traffic funnels through CreatorCommerce. CreatorCommerce then decides landing page or not, and then pushes them either way. Then you can click through all the rest of your stuff and then ultimately save. And once you save, once you need to add at least one person to the program for CreatorCommerce to know this now exists, because we don't know if that programs exist until people get added to them. That's how our connection works with Social Snowball. Once at least one person's been added to that program, when you go to the CreatorCommerce tab, tiers tab, you'll see that tier in here. And this tab simply just shows every eligible tier that CreatorCommerce is aware of. And that's like just visual confirmation. Then to actually enroll anybody in that tier into a campaign, because think of this as like a staging area, it's a waiting room. You go to campaigns, you can either make a new program, or probably in this case, if you're just making a new program that's going to slide into like an existing campaign and you're just getting more folks into it, click one that already exists, like this one, for example, or maybe just go back to this one. And then what you can do is, if you wanted to turn, this one's off. Sorry, let me find one that's on. Let's do this one. Okay, so this one's an active one. What you can do to add everybody to this campaign is click the drop down, and you'll see available tiers that are not in this campaign, and you can click them, in which case you'd see your new one, and you could click that. It's going to add them to the list, and then you can click save, and everybody who's enrolled in that program already, their link will stop going to the homepage and start going to their landing pages as soon as they've set up a landing page, but they won't be able to create a landing page until they're enrolled in a program. So in summary, in Social Snowball, make a program with CC in the title, set the redirection here to apps, add somebody to the program. Generally keep this setting off, because we don't want people toying with their landing page link. It's all kind of integrated. We don't want them flipping that or switching that. Keep that off. In CreatorCommerce, you'll see your tiers here. Once you've added somebody, we become aware of it, and we start monitoring it. Go to a campaign, go to the campaign you want to enroll them into. You'll see them in this list. Click that, save, boom, you're done. Just like any other program that's already set up, they're now all in the same campaign. Thanks.